Alright, so today's the day. You guys have been watching the videos obviously all week. We are finally manual swapping the Starfire. We got a nice clutch from eBay right here. It said stage 2, but I don't know the difference from stage 2 and stage 1 is because it's just a regular disc. It's not puck or anything. We have my drive shaft from my Kooky. We're going to be putting that in there. I didn't want to use my nice ass drive shaft, but it's our only option. Brought some tools, like 3 slave cylinders, 2 masters, just in case one of them doesn't work. And yeah, but Austin keeps begging me to go do this Orion style video, and I'm thinking about it.
Everybody wants to see what it does when you put your car in park or reverse. I don't recommend reverse, but I think we should definitely go throw it in park while we're driving and see what happens.
I think we're gonna do it. I'm just afraid of something breaking.
I told him if it breaks, I'll pay for it and fix his car while he's here.
I guess we're gonna go find out. We're gonna unload all this stuff, and then we're gonna go do 100 miles an hour and put it in park. It's like not that fast. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna go test that out with this automatic. Might as well send it out. That ain't worth nothing. But got all the manual stuff right here. Gonna be manual swapping it. I actually picked up these sweet ARP bolts for the flywheel, pressure plate, well, clutch disc, pressure plate, and we have a lightweight flywheel. But first things first, let's go slam this thing in park while we're driving. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt just in case. You never know, so.
Captain, I don't wear seatbelts.
The only thing I'm afraid of is if the rear tire is locked up. That'd be kind of scary.
Then we're just drifting.
Drifting and skidding is a whole different story. We'll do it at the speed limit. It's 35. We'll do it at 35. Should I just? Well, we'll turn around and come.
We'll start at like 35 and then we'll just go faster.
Well, it's probably just gonna die the first time. The speed limit? Oh, we're already going over. All right, we're going 35. God, I did not want to do this. I'm really going to park without hitting the brake?
Yeah.
Well, that didn't fucking work at all. What if I hit the gas?
It's like neutral.
Oh, go back. Okay, that didn't do anything.
All right, I think we gotta try.
We gotta do a neutral drop.
Yeah, yes. All right, let me roll the window down.
Just do it.
So
right
this
here.
is how you dump your clutch in an automatic.
There's no one out, right?
No.
Oh! That actually worked, like really good.
Oh! Dude!
You were in third. We were in third.
Dude!
How did that work so good?
What?
Red line.
It did it good.
Shifts too fast. Yeah, we were drag racing.
It did it good the first time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get those.
Can you imagine if you look, imagine this, right? Like, so what if you were pulling up to a car meet, like someone's nice ass car was right there, and you were just like. That would be so funny and embarrassing. Oh my god. Don't make me pop my hood, bro. Don't make me pop my hood. Don't make me do this to you.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna get the whip. I'll be whipping. I'm gonna drift in here. Alright, car's in the garage. We just gotta jack up the front end, put it on jack stands, pop the hood. This car is so long. Look, we don't even have that much room. Oh, look at her looking mean mugging in there.
This is way longer than my car.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, so the first thing we gotta do on the manual swap, we gotta get this automatic shifter out here. It's not really connected by the trans besides I think by cables or something. Don't really remember. But we just gotta take this whole center console out, pop this little piece out. Everything, it's a Nissan, so everything comes apart pretty easily. I don't know why this isn't, there we go. So, alright, so we're gonna get that piece off, then you take these little 10s all out down there, and then the whole thing comes out. Sorry for the lighting, just let me do this real quick. Let's get this out of here. I forget how I disconnected the cable last time. I think I just cut it. So we might have to do that real quick. Nice little Phillips. But yeah, so taking the shifter out, just gotta disconnect this cable up here. We'll honestly just cut it with some dikes. That's the shifting cable. And then we'll take these Phillips out and get this wire out from underneath. And then our shifter will be free. These bolts.
Steven is getting the torque converter bolts right now.
Not the torque converter bolts, the bolts.
Or the bolts for the dust shield.
Yeah, we can get to the torque converter. God. Fucking auto.
So far so good though. This thing's so clean it makes it kind of breathe.
Yeah, that helps a lot. Alright, so Austin's under there now. We're trying to do the flywheel bolts. I just had to hook the shifter back up. What? I just had to hook up the shifter to put it back in the neutral safety switch and put it in park by the lever down there. And we're just gonna go ahead and get the torque converter bolts out. All the bell housing bolts have been dropped except for the starter because we're using that right now. After that, we should be able to drop the entire trans out. And then after that, pull the pilot, pull the automatic flywheel, put all the new stuff in, torque it down with the ARP studs that we got, or the ARP flywheel bolts and pressure plate bolts, align the disc, shove the trans back in there, drive it hella hard, something like that.
Alright, after
A long ass time.
Okay, after a long ass time. Remember when we said we get this out by 8:30?
We said we'd get it done by 8.
Yeah. But we just got the auto trans out. It was kind of a bitch because there's a lot of bolts that you can't see and get to, but we got it out, so we're gonna pull that out right now. And
just getting the wiring, and then it just comes down.
yeah, we don't want to just slam it down because there's wiring in there.
Yeah. Ready?
I can't really see it.
Yeah, I know. Just gonna take it off real quick. Come on. Automatic flywheel. Keep going. Alright, so we just got the stock automatic flywheel out. Dude, the rear main seal in this engine looks so good. Like, it's like fresh. I don't know if it was replaced. I doubt it, because who the hell would pull out this automatic for that? But we got the flywheel off. So now we're going to open up our nice new eBay XTD clutch that everyone and their mom runs when they don't have a lot of power. So we're going to get that out. We got our new pressure plate. And then we got the flywheel and stuff. I'm sure you've seen 100 YouTubers put this clutch in. So we're just going to go ahead and put it in, align it, and then we're going to put the trans back in. Dude, I look so high. I'm so tired. The trans is back in finally. Dude, I'm so tired. My arm is tired. I went to put the drive shaft in. Of course, what I feared. It was too long. This is an ABS car. Well, it was. It's been converted apparently. The diff had the little extension piece. You can tell that it's ABS diff originally. And the drive shaft didn't fit. So we're trying to source one now. We might have to finish this tomorrow. It's like we're 100% finishing this tomorrow because I'm super tired. But yeah, so we're just going to finish putting in the bell housing bolts, I guess. And then tomorrow, you know, we're going to have to continue and find a drive shaft if we don't find one tonight. Finish putting it together, and then we'll be good. We'll be manual. Even though this wasn't worth it because I'm selling the car anyways. This was dumb. This was just a dumb idea. Good morning. Good morning. What is up?
Very well.
What?
Double vlog.
We are going to source a drive shaft right now because, as you guys, well, you didn't see, but you heard that the drive shaft was too long. It's an ABS diff. It sticks out a little bit. I kind of figured that. I don't know why I didn't bring my other diff that wasn't ABS, but we found a local drive shaft. We're gonna go pick it up. It's only 30 bucks. All right, so we're going to Lowe's real quick. We need a hole saw bit and some drill bits, and then we're gonna get the master in, and then bleed the clutch after we run the line in the slave. All right, so we got our 1.5 inch hole saw thing. We got a 3/8 drill bits for the studs. We should be good. Let's go put this together. Yo, no joke, if you are ever doing a manual swap, get yourself an 1.5 inch hole saw or drill bit, whatever you want to call these. Dude, drilling that hole with that, it went so perfect and so easy. Last time I did it with drill bits, just a bunch of holes. This is the way to go. Let's install this master and clutch pedal, run the line, run the slave, bleed the slave, possibly weld the diff, and go drive. Already recording. going off. Turn the alarm off. Just let me know when it actually turns off.
Alarm's going.
Let's see what happens.
Alarm's off. Go ahead. Hey!
Then turn it off and start it again just to make sure.
Yeah, that was a weird sound.
Yeah, that was a weird sound.
Alright.
It's got a weird idle. The overdrive is blasting.
The overdrive here.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to. Oh, it went away. I don't know.
We're good?
Yeah, I think we're good. I guess let's go drive. Oh shit, we need gear oil. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're gonna do that. We're gonna get the shifter clipped in because we can't drive without that, and then we're gonna go drive. All right, so this has been a long, painstaking process, but she drove out under her own power, guys. Here she is, the beautiful Starfire. 5-speed clutch engagement is perfect right in the middle. It goes into gear no problem. Definitely got a good trans, got a good clutch. There's no weird noises from the pilot or the throw out. Let's go drive this thing.
It's working.
Yeah, we got a 5-speed, my dudes. Hit Disney.
Look at that. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
The races. Psych. We did it.
We did it.
This thing needs to go. That's a little bit sketchy.
Yeah.
Fifth works. Reverse works. The trans mount don't work too well.
Yeah, the trans mounts.
But everything works. I mean, I wish we could go drift it, but it's like an open diff. So I'm not doing that. That's a lot of work. Looking downshift. I don't know why it sounds different. Oh, probably because this is open. That's why.
And because everything's lighter, it revs up faster.
Yeah, it does rev up pretty
It seems a little bit quicker.
I don't know, I thought it was slower.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, the gearing might be different, but I know it's a lot less weight.
It feels like the gearing is longer. Alright guys, I'm on the longboard. I'm gonna end the video like that. Woo, we are cruising. This is dangerous. This is so fun though. Like I feel like this is a cool way to end the video. If I lived around here, I'd totally have a board and just do this every video. But me and Austin, we completed the tubs this week. We completed the 5-speed swap. We just went and drove it. I would love to, go hoon the car and, have a ton of fun, but I don't want to break it for one. And also, it's not a well diff, so what am I gonna do? Some one tire fire burnouts, it's not very entertaining. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, huge thanks to Austin for letting me use his garage, even though he had no fucking tools. We had to buy a bunch of stuff. But check his channel out. He has the K20 FRS. It's pretty dope. It's definitely different. And it's a drift car, so that's sick. We will catch you guys next time. If you are interested in this kooky, I am going to be selling it, guys. I don't know when, but at least now it's a 5-speed. You can hop right in it and have some fun. I will catch you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy Garage Sideways, and I appreciate every single one of you guys with all my heart. I love you. All right, my dudes. So I don't know where it ended earlier. You guys might have watched. You guys might not even see this, but if you are seeing this, it's because my camera died. Because I'm always letting my camera die. But that is it for the video. We 5-speed swapped. We built some tubs. We did some cool stuff. Had a lot of fun. And that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, let me know if I should go to the drift event Sunday. I'd have to weld the diff though, and I'm probably not gonna do that, and I almost fell. That is it for this video, guys. I'll catch you next time. Boom.